All right, everyone. Let me just turn this down. See how this turns out with the music. All right, so I've had a lot of requests about how to do like a start page for a website. So there's lots of different ways to do it. This is one way over here. I showed you guys this earlier in class today. So what we could do, just copy this, right? And I'll link this website. This is css-tricks.com, and I just Googled like full-size background image. I just copied that. I just Googled that, and this was the first result, and it did a pretty good job. I like the way it turned out. So let me open up my Codepen. Let's make a new pen. All right. So over here, if I want to make a full-size background, we just use this CSS here to change the way our HTML is set up as far as the background goes. So let's take a look at what we got. We have the HTML tag. This is what we're modifying. Right? Background. Now here we have to change this thing over here. Right? This images/bg. We'll have to put in a URL for our own picture that we want to use. Then we have down here WebKit background size, Moz background size. These are basically linking to different places that have some CSS that's kind of like pre-done. So this will cover our bases as far as like different browsers and stuff like that goes. So it'll hopefully work pretty well as far as like in Chrome and Safari and all that kind of good stuff. So let's copy this. Let's paste this in the CSS. Now I don't have images/bg/jpeg. If I was doing a project, then I could actually save it, and I would do it there. Let's take a look. All right, now we have to find a good picture that I want to use. So depending on what your website is about, you pick an image that goes along with that. So if my website was about, I don't know, NASA, right? Find some nice images. Let's do like a outer space background. Hi, Spencer.
Teaching?
Cat.
This.
Cat.
This. Like to look at Stardew Valley. Look on everything. Casino. I'm going to do casino later in when we do Magic Door.
Yeah.
Maybe. Think about it.
Are you teaching now?
The clock.
Are you
You can
teaching
take the
now?
clock if you want.
Are you teaching now?
I'm recording the video.
Okay. Is he done?
Bill, yeah.
Cool. Alright, let's let Daddy finish up, okay? And then
I won't be very long,
you'll
Spencer.
have a break together, okay?
Okay.
Tell me who is the mayor.
Who's the mayor?
Yeah.
Mayor Lewis.
Tell me where it got cookie. No.
Casino's in the desert. All right. A cameo appearance. All right, there we go. Where was I? I was gonna do. I want more like stars. Maybe I find a nice Hubble images background. All right. I want like a real thing. Like this is cool. All right. Copy this image address over here. Copy that. Go back to my pen here. Change this to paste that there. All right. Now I've got this cool outer space background. Right? Ooh, I'm in space. Now we have to put in some content. All right. We don't want to just have a background. That's not a web. we have to link to it and all that kind of good stuff. We have to link to our secondary Codepen. Now, normally you wouldn't link to a Codepen, but this is what we got since we don't have a pro account most likely unless you want to pay for it. And if you had a project, then it's different. You could link to different actual like websites and stuff like that, like we did with our navbar. But we only have it with a regular account. We only have one project that you can do at a time. So we're gonna do it this way. Anyway, so we got our background. You see it's nice and responsive. Change the size and that kind of cool stuff. All right. Anyways, let's put in some content. Let me see. I keep looking at the wrong thing. Let's do. Let's make. Let's give it a title first. Launch page example. All right. Let's make a nice div. Class equals container. Then do my slash div. I can't see. Where's my eyeglass cleaner? My glasses are all smudged. And I got the windows open. There we go. Hopefully that works better. Still a little smudgy. This is some quality content we got going on over here. All right. All right. Hey, I can't see what I'm doing because my glasses are all smudged. DIV. All right. This is where we're gonna put in our content for that we're gonna have inside that we're gonna link or whatever. I'm not saying it very well, but you get the idea. All right, so let's put in, I don't know, like an H3 or something. Mr. Dave's space page, space blog. All right, let's get that. Let's put a paragraph in here. Alrighty. You can't see anything over here because it's probably up top over here, but we'll fix that in a second. All right. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, you can see it's over there, but Mr. Dave's space blog. We're gonna put this in the middle here in a second. Alright, let me see. I want to style this div here. Let's put it in dot containers, the class we gave it. Let's do background dash color. I don't know. Let's start with white. Let's do a width of probably 50%, not 5%, 50%. I gotta type it correctly. And height 50%. And we'll do text. All right. We just got the thing, right? I'm not sure. The width 50% is fine. Now I want to center my div. All right. Center div. Center page. All right. I did this before. Margin auto. Let's try margin auto. All right. I want it not up top. I want it in the middle of my page. Centered. I want to center it vertically too. top and bottom padding. Excuse me. Padding and texture lines centered. All right. I mean, we could try that. I got caps lock on. It's not what I didn't search up the right thing. See, this is the thing that you gotta search up the right thing. Center a div in the center of screen. We'll try that. Oh, I think I've done this before. All right. All right. So if we do it like this, all right, it centers based off the top left corner. We don't want to do it like we want the center of the div to be in the actual center of the screen. All right. Oh, we have to. That's right. All right. So we have to. Let's do like this. Copy that, right? And then we have to margin top left and margin left to the half of whatever the size of our div is. All right. So let's check this. Let's paste all that. Get rid of this. Sorry. Alright, get rid of that. The width 50% is fine. Alright, let's give it a solid, let's do 500 pixels, right? Width. And a height of 500 pixels as well. Alright, we change these to -250. Oop, 2.5, there we go. Now, let's get rid of this padding here. Alright, that's fine. Now I want to center the text inside the div. Alright, that worked fine. I'm going to leave that there. So I'm going to link these things. Center text in the div vertically. Here we go. Go back to the CSS tricks one. Let me see. Complete guide. Vertically. It's a inline. Multiple lines. Use flex. Try this. All right. We have height twice. Let's get rid of it. We don't need height twice. Alright, there we go. 500 by 500. It's center. Oh, yeah, that wasn't too bad. So we display, flex, justify content, center, and flex to right. Do we need text align center and... Yeah. Whoops. Oh, what did I do? This I need to get rid of. I don't think I need both. Cause no, you do. Text. There we go. All right. So we got this. This is fine. I'll make this an H1. Oh, I had H1 on there already. All right. Alright, let's give it a nice round border radius. Alright, it's good. Let's change the opacity so you can kind of see through it. See through it a little bit. It's not terrible. Let's change the font. So, Google Fonts. Let's see. Let's start with NASA. This is probably one you have to pay for, right? Yeah, you have to pay for that one. It's a cool font, though. All right. Oh, go back. Let's look up maybe space. It's not bad. Let's check out this one. Let's do pairings. Poppins, Work Sans, Nunito or Nunito, Libre Baskerville. So Space Mono. Let's try this one, right? Alright, so let's copy that. So when you hit a plus sign, you don't necessarily have to do a pairing. You just want just one font, that's fine. So let's do this, right? Let's copy this stuff. Let's go to our pen over here. Let's go to the stuff that goes in the head. Let's save and close. Alright, now we're going to change the fonts. Alright, so let's copy. I want the Space Mono. I want that H1 to be the Space Mono, right? I'm not using JavaScript just yet. Alright, let's paste that. And let's put the Montserrat for the paragraph, right? That doesn't look like Montserrat. Let me see. Is it a paragraph? Oh, it is H2. That's what it was. There we go. That's why it didn't change. Okay, not bad. I might change the size of this a little bit, because that doesn't need to be this big. You could have maybe like an image. An image between these two things. Maybe we'll do that. A little image. Alright. what image will go with this? Mr. Dave Archimedes, right? Hey, look, there's Eddie. Alright, Miss Agron. There's Mr. John down here. Internet famous. Alright, let's do that. Alright. Let's do image source equals alright. We'll give this ID equals Dave. Oops. Alright, let's make an ID of Dave. Let's do height 25%. Hi.
Yes.
Yeah, you want
Yes.
that? Magic Treehouse.
Yeah.
Make it fast. All right. Plus, right now it's at 2,000 milliseconds. How many milliseconds should we make it?
Tiny.
20. All right.
Without
Oh, too fast. It says Magic Treehouse, Dinosaur Ninja, Dolphins before the afternoon. This one. This one. It's me. From a few years ago. My hair was shorter. Alright, let me center this. Let me see. I gotta fix this part. Margin dash left. Auto, hand in your mouth. And margin dash right. Auto. Alright, now it's centered. Now, if I want to turn this into a link, right? I want to link, I don't know, to this pen right here, right? Copy that. I'm going to take this H2 and turn this into a Spencer. Alright. Come back to me in like 5 minutes. I'll be done, okay? You want to play with Daddy? You want to look at this again? Alright, here we go. Stardew Valley. Is that what we're going to do? Are we going to just Stardew Valley pretend Magic Door Adventure?
Let Daddy finish.
I'm almost done, Spencer.
You want to eat lunch yet?
Alright. Where were we? I was going to turn this into a link. So, href equals, paste that URL we copied for our other Codepen. Target. This makes it open up in the secondary page. It makes it work a little bit better. Alright. Let's indent this over. You see now over here we've got our enter page. Alright, I want to style my A tag so it not parentheses. I want text right, save that. Alright, I might change the height of this. I don't think I need it that big. Alright, let's do height. The width of 500 looks good. Let's make it, I don't know, 300, see how that looks. That's good. Alright, let's change this to 300, so it's minus 150, right? There we go. That's centered again. not bad, not bad. I'm not worried about color picker. No, it's not. Let me see. Fun things to do with hyperlinks and HTML. All right, let's try that. Link hover? Yeah, that's probably what I'm looking. I like that. Let me see. All right. All right, this we don't need. Let me see. I think this is the stuff we need over here. All right. All right, so let's copy that. All right. Is there any JavaScript to this? Nope. That's kind of cool, but I want it to just be this part. I don't know. Maybe I'll leave it like that. Let me see. What can I change in here? Let's get rid of that. It's pretty good. Let's look at what they did over here. Part of it might be because of the other stuff we have going on with our code as far as the width and all that kind of stuff goes. Well, that's fine. Alright, I kind of like that though. And you can modify it, like this code, to the different colors and that kind of stuff. Yeah, so I think there's some extra stuff, but you see that wasn't too bad. All right, I've already got, it's about a half hour, but this, if I click on this, right, it takes me to my secondary pen. That's good. So we did a lot of things. Let's take a look at what we did here. We made a full-size background. We have a div over here that's centered in the middle of our page. We've got a cool hyperlink with squiggly lines underneath it. So I'll link all the things that we did to the CSS tricks. I'll post this video, and then I'll link these web pages over here. This one, and then there was the one for the full-size background. I'll link all those things there. All right. So I hope this helps you out with your homepage, and see what you can do. Like I said, try out some different things. You don't have to do exactly like I did. Do whatever you think looks good. All right. Again, with the hyperlinks, remember, href, whatever it is you want to get, you're gonna put your a tag. You're gonna wrap it around whatever it is. Here, I just have the word enter. I just turned that into a hyperlink. You could, for example, put this around the image. And that would turn the image into a hyperlink, right? Instead, or you could do it around the whole div, and the whole div would turn into a hyperlink. Now that probably wouldn't work with this orange squiggly line thing we have going on over here, but you could try things out, all right? All right, or maybe you just want to have like a regular hyperlink. Whatever you think looks good. All right, so take a look, see what you can do, and I will see you guys tomorrow.